So now we flock together in our puddle of love like two doves side by side because our love has known of each other since always. We travel down hallways of uncertainty, yet certainly learning to undress each other's facade by unveiling our eyes, bearing them on each other, all while sharing one another under the covers of conversation. And we aware that time be wasted, so we savor every sacred second of our high mind, chuckling our days into the sunlit footprints across the sky. I love you. Deep into the Atlantic, go frantic from those without you. I go speedy when I wonder if I could see me without you. Girl, I swear it's like you tattoo your name on my tongue, cause you all I seem to talk about. Can't seem to do this walk without you be desert like dry mouth and hot sands to quench my thirst. So we make sure to nurse my love from puppies. So now we listen in the tall grass, wave hands at green eyes that despise what we do. Let them try with all they might to remove the fuse out my glue. Cause we know that although I gotta feel gift is delicate, yet and still is heaven sent, so yet and still is better spent knowing that we ain't going nowhere. So let the masses behold that our souls hold bound tighter than molecules, me your hydrogen and you, my oxygen I need to breathe. And together we tread in water that's far behind our zone. And together we breathe a life into my idea that love was dead. Instead, into the day God decides to pick up his phone and calls one of us home. You and I live here together in the same soul. Two halves to one whole, two parts to one heart. Girl, I need you like lessons. Like Sunday school lessons, bless me with your essence. Teach me your questions and I'll make you the answer. Bring me to your lungs, let me be your cancer. Let me take over. Your burden's my shoulder. Your tears my cheeks that we may cry together. Let it rain on down. We storm any weather under our umbrella. Ella, hey, see, cause we be above all that. Strap our gaps from every Shakespeare love. Went to war with adversity and beat all odds. Let all I see is your Beyonce to my Jay-Z, be in love with you so dangerously that the angels must be rejoicing and knowing that I'm finally forfeiting over my heart by loving you back. So the fact is that it's plain to see. This ain't no game to me, no monopoly, nor connect for. Just connect me to you and us two will be more than enough. Thank you.